Mine does.
On video?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you piece of junk. Dude, I think she's stuck.
No, she's not stuck. If only they had a brighter light right there, that would have been better. The dog is like so short. It's like funny. It's so short and fat. It's funny.
No, the fat part.
It's fat. I'll get it.
I know where I want to put it. I know where I want to put it.
Ew, it's all flopper. No, I'm not touching that. No.
Don't get that. Dang it, I want to see if she goes into the couch.
Cool.
It always goes where I want
Go, I already got a minute and faucet, whatever. Whoa. Whoa. Where'd she go?
Do it again. One time we left it, we couldn't find it down there. Oh, darn.
Look how funny. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is.
I'm gonna just throw it all the way back there.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Do it in the middle or somewhere, so that she comes. We won't know where she goes. Oh, here.
She can't see. Oh, there she is. She can't find it.
Wait, let it go.
Someone pick up the couch.
Pick up the couch. Seriously, the whole couch. Kaylee, say hi. I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking a video. Oh, that's nice, Kenzie.
Oh. You gotta get in front of that noise.
Stop. Because she's so fat, she can't fit.
I told you she was fat. You're like, no.
Kenzie, I said Kenzie's not fat. She's getting tired.
No, she just can't grip.
Her mouth is so small.
Oh,
Go!
Ah!
Go! Look, Emma.
Emma plays with toys now.
Emma!
She's jealous.
Ah! Look how cute it
Emma,
is.
what are you doing? Come on, babe. Come on, babe. Let's go. Come on.
Hey, can I put this on MySpace?
It depends. I gotta look at it first.
Well, you look the same as you've been looking. Oh, wow. You're not going to like this video. Because you keep putting your butt in the way of the dog. Oh. Oh.
I think dodgeball with the ball.
How?
No.